people.
Cool.
We help everybody, people. And I'm going to shake this and promise I won't do this with your heart. Shake. Wait. I will do this to your heart if your question is stupid. Like, what should I name my dog? I will say Ralphie to Ralphie and Ralph. Now shake. So shake. Yeah.
Coca-Cola. And come on, show it over here. Come on. That's what will happen to your heart if you ask a stupid question. And you really don't want that to happen. Now drink it. She will do that after she fizzes it. See, you don't want her to do that to your stupid question, do you?
Gulp. Now, we are going to dance with our sodas. Let's go.
See, this is like an advertisement for Coca-Cola. Drink Coca-Cola Classic.
Woo.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, that was awesome. Did you see that?
Wait. Don't stop it. Do not stop it. Hold this. Gotta show off our ad. Oh, it's upside down. We are extremely good at birthday party ideas.
Now, please, add our email. We help everybody
at gmail.com. Bye.